Struggling to figure out what to eat while on intermittent fasting to boost your weight loss? You're not alone. Today, we're exploring the best foods to eat that can help accelerate your fat loss and make your intermittent fasting journey a success. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss, but the foods you choose during your eating window can make all the difference. Let's dive into what you should be filling your plate with. Vegetables should be at the top of your shopping list. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in nutrients that keep you healthy and full. Aim for a colorful variety like spinach, kale, bell peppers, and zucchini. Lean proteins are next. They're essential for maintaining muscle mass and providing lasting satiety. Include options like grilled chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, or plant-based proteins such as lentils and chickpeas. Carbohydrates are not the enemy, especially when you choose the right ones. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread will give you the energy you need and help keep you full longer. Healthy fats are crucial for brain health and keeping you satisfied. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your meals. Now, let's talk about breaking your fast. It's important to start with something gentle on your stomach. A small meal that combines easy-to-digest carbs with protein, like a piece of fruit with a handful of nuts or a yogurt, can be ideal. Remember, during your eating window, it's not just about eating anything. It's about eating the right things. Plan your meals to include a balance of protein, carbs, and fats to maintain energy levels and support your weight loss. Hydration is also key. Water, herbal teas, and black coffee are your best bets during fasting hours. They can help curb hunger and keep you hydrated without breaking your fast. Lastly, moderation is essential. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you consume them in large quantities. Pay attention to portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. Get my free intermittent fasting for weight loss 10-day video course. Please sign up using the link in the description or pinned comment below. In summary, eat plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats during your eating window. Start your eating periods with something light, stay hydrated, and always practice moderation. So, get ready to fuel your body with the best foods for intermittent fasting and watch the pounds drop off. Remember, the journey to weight loss is unique for everyone, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding the right balance and making intermittent fasting a sustainable part of your lifestyle. As you continue with intermittent fasting, you'll start to notice which foods give you the most energy and keep you feeling full longer. Use this feedback to tweak your diet and optimize your eating window for maximum weight loss and overall well-being. And don't forget, while diet is a huge part of the equation, combining intermittent fasting with regular exercise can further enhance your results and improve your health. So there you have it. A straightforward guide to what to eat while intermittent fasting for weight loss. Stick to nutritious whole foods, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. With patience, consistency, and a balanced approach, you'll be on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with friends who might also benefit from intermittent fasting. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and weight loss. Drop a comment below to share what foods work best for you during intermittent fasting, and let's keep each other motivated on this journey to better health. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay positive and stay healthy.